everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And for today's vlog, it's going to be exciting because we are going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro. O, di ba, panalo? Nandito na. Let's go! If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have a bunch of ongoing giveaways ranging from phones to laptops. The links to all the giveaways can be found down below. Click nyo lang, subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG. Winners to be announced very soon. Okay, so to all the Apple fans and addicts out there, this is it. Ito na yung pinaka-inaantay ninyo. This is the new Apple iPhone 12 Pro. I was able to get this from DG Gadgets. I'll link down below to his Instagram account in case you guys want to buy from him. Now, ang pinakaunang napansin ko, the first thing that I noticed is the box. Take a look at how small and thin the box is. I actually thought when he brought out the phone that this was just a phone case or a phone accessory, but apparently this is it. This is the phone itself. And you have some sort of like cool looking print at the front, and then you have the details of the phone at the back. This is in the Pacific blue color, 256 gigabytes of internal storage. So you have this piece of paper. Buksan. Oh, sarap talaga pakinggan. Ay, and then we pop the box. It's really thick. Oh, wow. That was the easiest and smoothest unboxing experience. Ang ganda. Wow, guys, take a look at that. So without further ado, this is the iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific blue color. So let's remove the tape over here, or the plastic. So there you go. This is supposed to be their ceramic tough screen that's supposed to withstand, I don't know, like shattering from falls of big distances. So I've yet to try that out. Man, that back is just absolutely stunning. Ganda. And it actually has that chrome finish along the sides. So makintab siya, medyo glossy, very premium look, very premium vibe. So it reminds me of the design of the earlier iPhones, the iPhone 4 series. Nung medyo bakal pa siya and medyo sharp edges versus the curved edges that we saw with all the other iPhones that came out. So you have, of course, a triple camera setup here at the back. Tabi muna natin yung phone while I am turning it on. So let's power this bad boy up. Inside the box, we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. So over here. And unfortunately, there is no charger anymore. So that was one of the biggest changes. And that's the reason why the box is so small. Kasi pag buksan mo to, wala na talagang laman. Wala na. Wala na. Walang earphones, walang charger. Ang meron lang, kable. So everything else is gone. So that makes the boxes so much smaller, and it allows, I guess, for stock management better. Maybe the environmental impact is also better with that. But yeah, less things inside the box. You just get the cable and then you get the phone. Pretty ballsy move by Apple, but I predict that actually a lot of other phone manufacturers will eventually follow. Kinda like when the headphone jack was removed. Eventually, lahat din naman ng tao sumunod. But yeah, you have the SIM ejector tool and you have one nice Apple sticker as well. Okay, so now we have the iPhone 12 Pro turned on, then set up. So this one has a 6.1-inch OLED display. So it doesn't have high refresh rate yet kasi instead of the high refresh rate, Apple actually went for 5G connectivity. In terms of brightness, it's very bright. I think it's actually even brighter than my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Pro. Forgot what it's called. Basta yung pinakamahal na Samsung Note, mas bright pa rin to. It uses the latest A14 Bionic chip of Apple, which is supposed to be beastly, and apparently based on what I've read on reviews, it is supposed to be more powerful than a lot of the other processors being used by Android smartphones today. But then again, if you use an Android smartphone already, not flagship, I don't think you need the extra power right now because they can power almost anything pretty well. I guess the main reason why anybody would buy this is the camera. So you have the triple camera setup here for the iPhone 12 Pro, and the best thing about it is that it has an f1.6 aperture, and that basically allows a lot more light in, which will improve all of your photos, be it in night mode or normal pictures or portrait mode. Any types of shots that you would want to take with this one, it works well. In fact, the night mode I think already works both on wide as well as normal, normal picture dimensions. And that's primarily the reason why I bought it. Kasi to those who don't know, I shoot a lot of footage on my vlogs actually on my phone. And for the longest time, I've been using an iPhone XS Max. I skipped the 11 series altogether. And this is the latest iPhone that I'm actually using. So I'll just show you. This is my iPhone XS Max, and I've been abusing this for the last 2 to 3 years. And finally, we get to retire this and we get to shift to the iPhone 12 Pro. Apparently, this has much better video capabilities as well. So kung mag-shopping tayo ng sneakers and you see a sneaker shopping vlog, chances are the footage of that is taken with the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, for the next few days, I'll be using this as my primary device. So I'll be using it for my daily work. I'll be using it to shoot a couple of videos. All of the photos that you'll see on my Instagram feed will most likely be taken with the iPhone 12 Pro. So if you're curious to see what the actual photo capabilities are, just make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll link it down below. I also have a bunch of Instagram giveaways that you guys might want to join. I'll also be doing a comprehensive review of the iPhone 12 Pro, and we can even compare it to the other flagships of other brands such as Samsung, Huawei in the coming days ahead, because I'll make it a point to buy all the other flagships so we can do fun comparisons with the different phones. Yeah, that's actually it. It's just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. I was just really excited when I finally got it here, and I just wanted to share this unboxing experience with you guys today. Make sure that you guys check out DG Gadgets as well. I'll link down below to his Instagram account. And that's it for now. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.